Hello and welcome to Coreform Cubit tutorials. Today we'll be learning how to mesh a simple volume using the Cubit meshing software. So to begin, we'll go up here to File, down to Import, select this volume, simple.sat, select Finish, and then this volume can be found at the coreform.com website. Here's our volume right here. Next, we'll go up to Mode-Mesh, and we'll click Entity-Volume. And for this, we'll be using these three icons right here. So to begin, we'll go Action-Intervals. So there's a bunch of different selections here depending on what you're trying to accomplish. But for this one, we'll just go Automatic Sizing. Select your volume right here. Go Apply Size. Then our next one will be Action-Mesh. Again, there's a lot of different selections here, but for this one, we'll just go Automatically Calculate. Make sure your volume is still selected. Apply Scheme and Mesh. See here it meshed our volume. Then check the quality, and we'll go here, make sure quality metrics is selected in the drop-down. Make sure your volume is still selected, and then there's a bunch of different kinds of quality metrics you can use. But for this one, we'll just go Shape. Click Apply. Now it color codes it based on what could be improved with the mesh. So which elements could be improved to improve the quality. Congratulations, you just mesh and quality checked your first volume using a Cubit software. More tutorials can be found at coreform.com, and thanks for watching.